Hi, my name is Maria, and here is the first part of the tutorial how to connect Catalyst voting app to your wallet. In this moment, you're going to use your wallet. If you are in your laptop, that's okay. If you're in your phone, that's okay too. So you go to the voting in your wallet, and then I'm going to show some information. But you need to have your wallet delegate to a pool. If you didn't delegate to a pool, here in the cards, I will leave the link to how to delegate your ADAs in order to vote. So here we already delegate our ADAs. We're ready to go. You go down in this page, just roll down. It's the QR code for the app that you're gonna scan. So you press next, and now you have to set a pin. Write down this pin because you need this pin to connect with the voting app. Now you have to confirm a second time. Go next. I'm going to open up the pop-up to sign the transaction. Here is where you activate your ledger if you are doing it by your ledger. If not, you'll be able to type in your password. And then when you sign the transaction, you're gonna get this QR code. You need to scan this code with the voting app. I'm gonna show you how to connect Catalyst voting app with your wallet. I am using Android, so I am in the Google App Store. You can also have it in the Apple Store. And the step by step is exactly the same. Warning, you're gonna get a pin and a QR code in some stage. Don't forget to write down the pin. So Catalyst voting app, I'm going to install. I see here the developers IOHK. So install. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with more people because the deadline is just approaching, is only in 4 days. I'm gonna open the app. So from the future of Cardano, I just go to skip. And here is for you to sign up for newsletters and notifications. Enroll to receive notifications. And here is page where you connect your wallet. And if you can see, only left 4 days and 10 hours for registration. So I go to connect wallet, and there is 2 options: connect with hash and pin, and using voting QR code and pin. I go to the first option. So I'm ready to scan my QR code. It's here the message you're going to receive that your verification is in progress. You need at least to hold 500 ADAs at the moment of the. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like and share and send it to other people. A lot of people in the community hold their ADAs, but they don't know how to register or vote. Thank you very much for your contribution. See you soon. Bye bye.